I'm willing to bet that you saw the title of this video and thought, oh, she probably used miles and points to pay for this trip. And while I do consider myself to be a miles and points enthusiast, I did not use any to score this free interior stateroom. Instead, I got this free interior stateroom from belonging to a casino membership rewards program. There are a few casinos near where I live that I am a part of their rewards program. I don't consider myself a gambler at all. I maybe only go a few times each year. And as part of the rewards program, the casinos will send out free gifts throughout the year, ranging from free slot play, free casino hotel offers, free household items as gifts, free concert tickets, and even a free cruise certificate. It was actually the casino that I frequent least that gave me free cruise certificates. Last year I got 3 different ones and I did not use any of them, and it still makes me mad. So when I actually got one the beginning of this year, I made sure to use it. So that's why I am on this cruise ship now. There is an option to update your room. You would just pay the difference in price. And you do have to pay a security deposit ranging from $100 to $200 depending on the cruise line that you choose. Since I chose Princess, their security deposit was $200 per person. But that later gets turned into onboard credit. I will talk about that in just a moment. When I called my travel agent to book this cruise, she had told me that along with the security deposit, you have to pay the port taxes and fees and gratuities. So the port taxes and fees came to around $180 per person, and the gratuities for the whole week for the crew, that was I believe $136 per person. It is worth noting that the cruise certificate is only for the room itself. If you have to fly to the port to get onto the cruise, that's an added expense for you. And earlier I mentioned that you do get your security deposit turned into onboard credit. So because I booked through the casino offer, my onboard credit did not start until the actual day of the cruise. So you could use that onboard credit for anything. You could use it for excursions, food, dining, spa services. You can even use it to pay the gratuities at the end. Anything that's pretty much charged to your stateroom, you can use it for. Because my onboard credit didn't officially activate until the start of the cruise, I would recommend to book any shore excursions when you get onto the boat. I had booked one shore excursion ahead of time and I had to use my credit card. I had gone to the shore excursion desk and asked them if maybe they could honor my onboard credit and kind of refund my credit card for the amount I already spent. I'd say it's a case-by-case basis, but for me, I had no luck. So if you do, get the chance for a free cruise through a casino offer, just keep in mind that your onboard credit will start the day of the cruise. So anything you purchase before then, that's going to be on your credit card and not count towards your onboard credit. I feel it's important to say that the rewards program varies from casino to casino. I do not know the ins and outs of each of them, and I'm simply sharing my experience. You may have something different, and this video is just for general information purposes only. I'm not encouraging you to go out and gamble in hopes that you get a free cruise certificate, so please gamble responsibly.